The uncle, who never caught any fish,
Hello guys, do
switched
not
to
forget
feeding
like,
them
share,
instead.
subscribe my channel for
As a
more
result,
upcoming
he
videos and stuff.
surprisingly
Thank
became
you.
best
Let's see what
friends
is
with the
happening
fish.
over here.
Whenever the uncle beckoned, the fish would swim over.
That's
He would
a
take out a
trust.
spoonful of feed and feed
Wow,
it to the fish.
looks very good.
Now, having gained the fish's trust, the uncle often picks them up and pets them.
Oh,
As soon as the uncle
looks
enters
lovely.
the water, the fish gather around him. In front of the uncle, the fish are obedient and well-behaved, never leaving,
That's
no
called,
matter how much
love
he
and
pets them.
affection.
When he picks one up, it is quite
That's
large.
called
Before
so
long,
good.
the uncle became the fish's father, and they always had plenty of food. The uncle was no longer
Nice.
lonely.